Hello everybody, welcome to this brand new tutorial. This is a series whereby we are gonna explore the new Spring Boot 4.0, which is officially out. We're gonna create a REST API that's gonna showcase in the same tutorial series on some of these new features that we're having on Spring Boot 4.0. So let's learn this. You'll get to learn about HTTP service clients, which is a really new feature in terms of we don't now have to call the REST API or using the web clients to call our API. So right now, at least Spring Boot 4.0 has come with a HTTP service client that really exposes this usability in a very straightforward manner. The second beautiful feature is on API versioning, where I'm going to show you how we can now have one code base for our different version of APIs, which doesn't have a backward compatibility. So you can just have versioning within the same repos or controllers or the same application. Yeah, so out of that also there's so many number of good features like Open Telemetry Starter included. There is also support for a Gradle 9. There's Redis master and replica. There's new also JMS client. However, I'll not go into such features like Kotlin serialization. It's an optional module which you can literally explore. There's REST test client for testing. That's a big improvement. And also there's improved MongoDB indicators. And also there's virtual threads for HTTP clients, and also updated dependency like Hibernate 7.1 and Jackson 3 integrated within the same. So I'm going to show you this in a fashion of a RESTful CRUD APIs that we're going to create, having a usable API base or a usable API template for Spring Boot 4.0. So let's get started.